But if I told you that you can create a company in 10 minutes and easily avoid paying taxes legally? A shell corporation is a company that has financial assets but no significant business activity. Shell corporations don't create product, hire employee or generate revenue. Rather, they store money and engage in financial transactions that pretty much benefit the owner. Shell corporations can be used for illegal purposes like money laundering or legitimate purposes like storing funds in an early stage of a startup. Shell companies may also be known as international business corporations, personal investment companies or mailbox companies. Well, it's interesting to know that shell companies hide the identities of their owner, which means you can set up a shell company anonymously, letting your business to engage in financial dealings without revealing who you are. Shell companies are often created in tax havens, and tax havens are countries with fewer or no taxes on business. So by starting a shell company in a tax haven, your business can enjoy lower taxes and access to the foreign market. This makes shell companies very useful. Just think about this. Why would you want to pay 40% taxes on the money that you made? The most common use for shell company is to avoid taxes. This is known as tax avoidance or wealth defense. What companies basically do is offshore or move a part of their operations to another country to take advantage of lower taxes and less regulation. As long as the money held in tax haven was earned in that country, it is practically legal. Offshoring isn't the only legal use for a shell corporation. Other reasons for shell companies are to hold money for a temporary period of time. For instance, you might want to use a shell company to store funds while you are preparing to start a new company or to hide your identity for safety. People in dangerous countries may hide money to avoid being targeted by criminals. You can easily register shell companies online or by phone, and fees range from $1,000 to $2,000. These facts make them easy and cheap to create. Registering a shell company requires little of your personal information. Often the identities of the registered agent and the beneficial owner are needed. To mask ownership, a company can hire people known as nominee directors to file the paperwork under their name. What a smart move. For even more secrecy, a shell corporation can register as a subsidiary of another shell company. This means that the shell company is officially owned by another shell company. You can repeatedly layer in this way to create a high level of secrecy. When each subsidiary shell is in a different country, the owner is protected from investigation by any of the country. Shell corporations can be created anywhere, but some places are more popular than others. Well-known tax havens include British Virgin Islands, Bermuda and Luxembourg. At this point you might be thinking, well, this sounds great, but is creating a shell company a good decision? For a business looking to grow its operations while limiting its tax burden, shell companies are great opportunities. By operating in a country with lower tax rates, a business can not only reach new markets but also increase profits. Even if you don't plan to operate in a foreign country, you might want to set up a shell company to invest in foreign markets like stocks and security exchange. Individuals may create shell corporations to protect assets from lawsuits. If the shell company is in a country that doesn't enforce US legal rulings, its funds cannot be seized. But you need to understand that storing personal assets in shell companies only makes sense for people with large amount of wealth from investments. Since employers report the income they pay to employees to the IRS, earned income cannot be hidden. Large companies like Apple, for example, have decided to move their profits to Ireland, taking advantage of looser tax codes. Even though there are legitimate reasons to set up a shell company, many wealthy individuals abuse shell companies for personal gain. Progressive taxation within the economy slowly drives people to seek personal tax havens. Significantly high income earners set up shell companies in one or many locations like the Cayman Islands. This results in a gray area of tax avoidance where people hide earnings through shell companies in such a way that it isn't counted towards their personal income. In 2016, 11.5 million secret files were leaked, and these were called Panama Papers. Hundreds of thousands of offshore entities and shell companies connected to over 200 countries and territories appeared in these papers. Prominent world leaders, politicians, business people, and super wealthy were exposed for using offshore accounts for tax avoidance and other purposes. Shell companies are legal. They only become illegal when they are used for criminal purposes like tax evasion or money laundering. Unfortunately, they are used for criminal purposes quite a lot. This is because setting up a shell company doesn't require much identification, and in many cases, consumers are promised that their identity will not be exposed. Shell companies are relatively cheap and disposable commodities. They cost around $2,000 to set up, and buying one is also a simple process. So how do you set up a shell company? Step 1. Google offshore company and select a suitable shell company provider. Step 2. Choose a name in tax haven. Type your proposed company name in a dialog box and choose from the list of dozens of tax havens. The cost so far is likely to be between $1,500 to $2,000. Step 3. The dialog box will ask if you want a nominee director. This is someone who will appear on the company paperwork as the director but who doesn't have any actual power. This allows the company's owner to hide their identity behind the nominee director's name, and this is not illegal. Step 4. ID. You will be asked for a copy of your passport as well as a scanned copy of your utility bill. The passport proves who you are and the utility bill ticks the where you live box. Sometimes you can use your friend or lawyer or relative as a further level of secrecy. It means you are one step further removed from the shell company. Step 5. Just like being offered a car rental after buying a plane ticket, you may now be offered a bank or trust account or legal or accounting services. There is also an opportunity to buy Shelf Company. This is a company that has been established a few years earlier. By trading under this company name, it will appear that your brand new company has a longer track record. And just like that, once the paperwork is completed, you will be a proud owner of a brand new shell company. So with that said, make sure to give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe.